300 build. It's finna be hard as fuck. I'm telling y'all niggas, it's finna be hard. My boy Charlie, he gonna be on the channel. It's finna be hard.
What? What the fuck?
This shit not hard, bro. Like, bro, y'all niggas going up. Y'all not doing shit. All I got to say is y'all tune in, fam. We going up, fam. But it's the 3rd. I think it's January 3rd, fam. I'm gonna probably pop out, like, being realistic. Probably be like the middle of February when I get this shit, fam. All I gotta say is y'all tune into this shit, fam. I'm not playing with y'all. Tune in. That's all I gotta say, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get, you know what I'm saying, when I actually get to the content for real. So. What up, Scratch Off Gang? It's Zay, and we back with another video. Well, we back with a video, because it's just slick my first shit, but we gonna be linking up with my boy Ant, dude I was talking about in the previous clip that just played. And we gonna be linking up with him and his Charlie. We gonna be getting some scat seats, so all red scat seats for his build. And well, slick, we only gonna be getting one of them just because the dude, he only got one on him right now. And we trying to see how we gonna, like, how it's gonna fit, and if we gotta do, like, some, you know what I'm saying, some finagling, you know what I'm saying, some finessing, you feel me?
Bro, I'm really about to get your pickle chin now.
But, man, y'all just stay tuned, bro. We gonna be linking up, and...
What the fuck?
God. Man, but y'all just stay tuned, and I'll get back with y'all whenever we at least on the way to get the seats or whatever. Alright, so we on the way to get them motherfuckers. With my boy. Dumb nigga don't know shit about cars, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the?
You don't know a damn thing. This man gonna ask me what I think. If a car don't crank no nothing, can it be the battery, the alternator? Try to ask me. Look at him. Nah, boy, shut up, boy. Shut up, boy. Shut up, nigga. I ain't tripping though, cause you the one that need the free labor. You the one that need help putting the seats in. I don't know why you trying to act like that. Get some AC, boy. You trying to crack that damn window. It's the middle of winter. You don't feel that? What? You talking about the window? Boy, you better get some AC in this mug. I'm gonna tell him Scratch Off. Better get some AC in here, bro. See you right around like, oh, bro, chill, bro. Man, fuck this seatbelt. He talking about to put my seatbelt on.
Lock his ass up.
Now imagine we get there and we think dude finna sell us these scat seats and he like, come up off everything. What you gonna do about it? No, I ain't got the fight today, boy. Boy, you better hope, boy. Y'all tell him he just better hope. Boy, don't pull that card on him. He gonna be sick. He just pulled that bread out the ATM.
I mean, bro, he just pulled 10 bands out the bank.
Back the fuck up. I knock the fuck out you.
Where they brand at, nigga?
I'm be like, bro, he just pulled 10 bands out the bank.
I'm tell him, I ain't got shit. I ain't even the one buying the seats, fam.
I can't eat. I'm broke, nigga. I'm broke.
SXT, bro.
This is SXT. Hell, I'm gonna be like, fam, you can hear the motor, fam.
Wow, man.
That's crazy, bro. That's a TRX right there, bro.
Man, you wouldn't even know.
Bro talking about he got the Corvette. I did.
Cap.
No, you didn't. What type of Corvette was it? C6, he lying. It's a C6, he lying like a mug, fam. You did not have no C6, fam. This
Trying to test my knowledge about Corvette.
Bruh, no, fam. This motherfucker misfire.
Stop the cap.
I heard everything.
No, it don't matter. It don't matter. I know it, Corvette.
His thing misfired and everything. He not keeping up with it. You said it was a C6. No, fam. No. In my opinion, that's the best year Corvette you can get. But bro, this nigga did not got no C6, fam.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. I cap.
I said you did not got no C6. What y'all think?
I like you, man. You lie a lot.
He said Dodge over Chevrolet. I don't know about that now, boy. You crazy. You crazy than motherfucker, boy.
Stop it.
Nah, just shut up, fam. Just be quiet, fam. You can't say all that yet. finna go get these Scat seats, man. I'm gonna pick it up when we back. When we there getting the Scat seats.
One eternity later.
So we out here, y'all. We at this storage unit at the place. Dude told us to meet him for the seats. And bro, we've been waiting on this nigga for about an hour, bro. It's cold.
Something wrong with this nigga.
Damn, you can't even see that shit. But it's cold, bro. We ready to go, fam. Charlie out here. So shit, I'll just get back. He get here or something. I don't know, fool. But here go to Charlie. Yeah, shit, I'm gonna just get back to y'all whenever we getting the seats out the car, bro. I guess, I don't know. It's here. Here go the seat. It's a little dirty, but it ain't, you know what I'm saying? It ain't much. That boy think he hard. Shut up. This nigga finna have a Scat seat in this bitch. Get this change. We gonna be on our way, cause I don't know how we gonna fit it in this challenge. I ain't gonna lie to you.
It's smaller than I thought.
Huh?
It's smaller than I thought.
Yeah, I know it's not that big, but still though. I change. Ooh, that boy got change. Big money. Good deal. Shit, we finna try it. Shit, we shit. It's only when you black, we gonna make it away. I'm telling you.
What do you mean by that?
I'm finna help you. I'm finna put this camera down and help you. Couldn't even pick the seat up, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this motherfucker is hard though. I can't even cap. I can't wait till we get the other ones for this man though. Alright, scratch off gang. We finally made it at the crib. And Scat seat is secured, but it got too dark. As y'all seen when we pulled up, it was like pitch black. I was damn near using my flash and shit. But we got the seat. It's right here. Oh, bro, don't mind my little trash bag, bro. We still like really in the trenches and shit, but that shit don't matter.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
We got the Scat seat, bro. It need minor cleaning, as you can see on the seat, but we ain't worried about that, man. I'm proud of my dog, man. Y'all go subscribe to him as well, bro. His hat is scratching off Ant, and bro, we going up, bro. He's supposed to be getting the other seats like later on down the line. I think that dude, like the seats is in a different state. So that's the only seat he had or something. I don't even know. But you know what y'all gonna have to do? Y'all last gonna have to just go subscribe to his YouTube and just ask him in the comments why he don't have the other seat when he drop his first video. If he drop his first video. But I'm gonna get back to y'all whenever we get to install them. It's obviously gonna be a 2-day, 3-day video. So
this nigga had one job.
Alright y'all, so we back. We finna go ahead and install the seats in Bro Charlie, cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm not finna do all that talking like how I did in the first few clips, but as y'all can see, this bitch out here, bro. I already started ratcheting some of them screws. So I'm gonna get back to y'all whenever, look at this snowman with no head, though.
Nice.
No head.
Stop it. Get some help.
Look at that. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all whenever we slick, at least get this seat somewhere out. I ain't gonna lie, if y'all doing this y'all selves, bro, these bolts hard as hell to get out, bro.
Like, for real.
Look at this shit.
Bro, you tripping.
It make you look weak as hell, bro. Make you look weak as hell trying to put these in, bro. It's crazy. Whole time we know what we doing. We really just need power tools, bro, like an impact.
2,000 years later.
Oh, you got it. You finally got that mud. So what is it? 2 more on the backside? One more? Yeah. Oh, you must have got one of them in the back off already.
Thought you was slick, didn't you?
Man, you ain't strong. I don't know what make you think you strong.
Shit, I got it all.
I ain't gonna lie, it's low key cold, bro. It's cold as hell out here, fool. It ain't like we just slick went through like a winter storm. So it's like 2 or 3 days later, fool. Look at that Scat, fool. That's that Scat I seen earlier when we was at AutoZone. Damn, y'all can't even see him. Bro, that's a scat, bro. Tell him line that shit up. Tell him line it up.
Nah, it ain't gonna work.
Look at him ass out and shit. You said you forgot your what's in here? Oh, you talking about the... Damn, you shoved him under the seat? God. Oh my gosh, food. These are cooked. All right, y'all, so my phone died. And it took us like 4 hours to get these rails off, bro. The last owner took the rails off, so we had to take them off the stock seats and put them on. But we finna bolt them in. Bro, it's like 30 degrees. Is it spring yet? Hands froze. All right, y'all, so we got them in. We got the seat in. And it's a few complications that we ran into. Like, the seat won't go forward or back. You can hear it, though. It's trying to, but it'll go up and it'll go down. So it may be just a user error. I don't know. We may just be... We may just not know what the hell we doing. Yeah, it's in here, though. That boy got the Scatiana. He got the Scatiana in here. Here it's gonna be a bolt right here, a bolt on the other side. Then it's gonna be 2 bolts in the back. And then we had to switch the seat rail. So that may be why it's not letting forward and back. I don't know. I have no idea. I don't even know, but it's cold.
You ugly as shit.
Yeah, you still can't see that shit. It's cold, and bro, we finna get back in the crib, bro. But at least it look good. At least it look good. And I'm also on his phone too, cause my phone died. So shit, I'm finna wrap this video up, bro. Next video I might do is the taking delivery on my car. So I don't know. And he's probably gonna do a video on his spark plugs and coil packs. So y'all keep a lookout for that. It's cold, ain't it, boy? Yes. It's too cold out here. Here go the original seat. And yeah, bro. Shit, it's in here, bro. Finna clean up, get back in here because it's cold, bro. So give y'all one last look at the seat. Yeah, bro, it's in here. Scatty on, they look good with that light shining on and that shit.
Get some help.
We'll just get back at y'all next video or something. I don't even know, but man, y'all just stay tuned. I never tell y'all to subscribe because I want this channel to be organic. I want y'all to subscribe if y'all want to subscribe, but I will tell y'all to please like the video, share the video, and comment. But you don't gotta subscribe if you don't want to. I'd appreciate some subscribers, but I ain't gonna force nobody to do nothing that they don't want to do. So if you like the video, comment what you think. And bro, I will just see y'all next time, bro. Hopefully I'm taking delivery of the new whip. I'll see y'all next time.